Dialogue 1, Greetings, you, hi. How are you today, John? Hey. I'm good, thanks. How about you, you? I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Did you have a busy day, John? Yeah, it was a bit hectic, but I got through it. What about you, you? Same here. It feels good to finally relax now. Dialogue 2, at a cafe, barista, hi, what can I get for you today, you, hi. I'll have a medium cappuccino, please, barista. Would you like anything else with that, you? No, that's all, barista. Great. That'll be $4.50, you. Here you go, barista. Thanks. Your coffee will be ready in just a minute, you. Perfect, thanks. Dialogue 3, making plans, you. Hey, are you free this weekend, John? I think so. What's up, you? I was thinking of going hiking. Do you want to join, John? That sounds fun. What time were you thinking, you? Maybe around 9 a.m. on Saturday. Does that work for you, John? Yeah, that works. I'll bring some snacks, you. Awesome. See you then. Dialogue 4, small talk at work, you. Good morning. Did you catch the game last night, John? Morning. Yes, I did. What a match, right, you? Totally. I didn't expect them to win, John. Me neither. I was on the edge of my seat the whole time, you. Same here. Anyway, ready for another busy day, John? As ready as I can be, I guess. Let's do this. Dialogue 5, asking for directions, you. Excuse me, do you know where the nearest bank is? John, sure. It's just around the corner. Walk straight, and you'll see it on your left, you. Thanks a lot, John, no problem. Have a good day, you. You too. Dialogue 6, shopping at a store, you. Excuse me, can you help me find the cereal aisle? Store clerk, of course. It's aisle 5, just down this way, you. Thanks. And do you know if you have any discounts on these today? Store clerk, let me check. Yes, there's a 10% discount on all breakfast items, you. Great. I'll grab a couple of boxes, then. Store clerk, perfect. Anything else I can help you with, you? No, that's all. Thanks for your help, store clerk. You're welcome. Have a good day. Dialogue 7, at the doctor's office, doctor. Hi, how are you feeling today, patient? Not too great, actually. I've had a headache for a couple of days, doctor. I see. Any other symptoms, patient? Just a bit of dizziness. But no fever or anything, doctor. Okay, I'll check your vitals and see what might be going on, patient. Thanks, doctor. Doctor, no problem. Let's start by taking your blood pressure. Dialogue 8, running late, you. Hey, I'm really sorry, but I'm going to be about 15 minutes late, John. No worries. Take your time. Where are you now, you? I'm stuck in traffic, but I should be there soon, John. That's okay. I'll grab a coffee while I wait, you. Thanks for being patient. I'll see you soon, John. No problem. Drive safe. Dialogue 9. Asking about a movie. You. Did you see the new action movie that came out last weekend, John? Yeah, I saw it last night. It was amazing. You, really? I've been thinking about going. Is it worth watching in theaters, John? Definitely. The special effects are incredible, and the plot keeps you on edge. You, nice. I'll check it out this weekend then, John. You won't regret it. Let me know what you think after. Dialogue 10. At the airport, airport staff. May I see your boarding pass, please, traveler? Sure, here it is, airport staff. Thank you. You're all set for gate 12. Boarding will begin in 30 minutes, traveler. Great, thanks. Is there a cafe nearby, airport staff? Yes, just past security on your left, traveler. Perfect. I'll grab a coffee while I wait. Thanks for your help, airport staff. You're welcome. Have a safe flight. Dialogue 11. Booking a restaurant reservation. You, hello, I'd like to make a reservation for dinner, please, restaurant host. Sure. What day and time were you thinking? You, this Saturday at 7 p.m. for 2 people, restaurant host. Let me check. Yes, we have a table available at that time. Can I get your name? You, it's Sarah Thompson, restaurant host. Great, you're all set for 7 p.m. this Saturday, Ms. Thompson. You, thank you, restaurant host. We look forward to seeing you. Dialogue 12. Asking about weather. You, do you know what the weather will be like tomorrow, John? I think it's supposed to rain in the afternoon. You, oh no, I was planning a picnic, John. Maybe you can do it in the morning. Before the rain starts. You, good idea. I'll check the forecast and adjust my plans. Thanks for the heads up, John. No problem. Enjoy your picnic. Dialogue 13. Borrowing something. You, hey, do you mind if I borrow your charger for a bit? My phone is about to die. John, sure. It's in my bag, let me grab it for you. You, thanks, you're a lifesaver. I'll give it back as soon as my phone's charged, John, no rush. Take your time, you, I appreciate it, John, anytime. Dialogue 14. Talking about hobbies. You, so, what do you like to do in your free time, John? I'm really into photography. I love capturing landscapes. You, that's awesome. Do you have a favorite place to shoot, John? Yeah, there's this park near my house with amazing views, especially at sunset. You, sounds beautiful. I'd love to see some of your photos sometime, John. I'd be happy to show you. Maybe we can go shoot together sometime. You, I'd love that. Dialogue 15. Complimenting a friend. You, wow, I love your outfit today, John. Thanks so much. I just got this jacket yesterday. You, it looks great on you. Where did you get it, John? I found it at this little boutique downtown. You, I might need to check that place out, John, definitely. They've got some really nice stuff. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell notification so that you never miss on new updates. Have a nice day.